The PRINA 76-pack drawing set combines a wide range of graphite, charcoal, watercolor, oil-based colored, and metallic pencils, giving artists of all levels a versatile toolkit for sketching and detailed illustration. Each pencil is clearly labeled and lays down pigment smoothly, making it easy to control shading, layering, and blending without the frustration of frequent breakage. The compact zippered case keeps every tool securely organized and protected, so the entire kit is genuinely practical to carry to classes, studios, or outdoor sketching sessions. The included spiral-bound sketchbook with white, tan, and black pages encourages experimentation with light and shadow, allowing both beginners and experienced artists to explore different drawing styles in one place. A simple step-by-step drawing guide is provided, which helps newcomers build confidence while still offering useful structure for anyone looking to refine basic techniques. The materials are made to meet safety standards and feel durable in regular use, making this set a thoughtful gift choice for students, hobbyists, and more serious art enthusiasts alike.